Hello friends, today we are going to talk about the usage of a and an. This is an important lesson for most of us because many of us do not know when to use a and when to use an. Simply speaking, a and an are used in conjunction with vowel sounds. And those sounds which aren't vowel, they are called as consonant sounds. So all the vowel sounds which begin with vowels, these have the word an, or these have the article an before them. And all these vowel sounds, they begin with a, e, I, o, u. This doesn't mean that every word that has a in the beginning has to be used by an. No, it doesn't mean that. Vowels are the words, the articles a and an are to be used only when there is a vowel sound. Let's be very clear about it. Okay. And what are vowel sounds? Vowel sounds are those sounds which are emitted when our throats are open. Let's take some examples. An apple, an elephant, an Indian, an American, right? These are sounds. These sounds are emitted when our throats are open. But the parrot, the car, the pen, okay, these aren't used when we utter these words. Our throats aren't as open as when we are uttering a vowel sound. So all vowel sounds must begin with the article an. Let's see some example. An apple, an orange, okay, an Indian. But there are certain exceptions when a word begins with a letter which has a vowel, but those words have to be preceded by the letter or by the article a. A university, okay, a history lesson. So the main thing to be considered again is that we need to put the word an before all those words which have a vowel sound. In America, there's a particular problem. Many Americans utter history as history. So they would say an history lesson. Why they say an history lesson is because they are pronouncing history as history, which is a vowel sound. Okay, but those are exceptions. But generally, whenever you have to use an, make sure that an is always used when the word begins with a vowel sound. I hope this is clear to you, and we'll meet again in the next session. Bye bye.